Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service offered by Amazon that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. When a customer places an order, Amazon takes care of the packaging, shipping, and customer service on behalf of the seller. Here's how Amazon FBA works. Product listing. As a seller, you create listings for your products on Amazon's marketplace. These listings include product descriptions, images, pricing, and other relevant information. Product title. Create a clear and concise title that accurately describes your product. Include important keywords that shoppers might use when searching for similar products. Keep in mind Amazon's guidelines for title length and formatting. Product images. Use high-quality product images that showcase your product from different angles. Ensure that the images are clear, well-lit, and accurately represent the product. Follow Amazon's image guidelines regarding size, resolution, and background. Product description. Write a detailed and persuasive product description. Highlight the key features and benefits of your product. Use bullet points and concise paragraphs to make the information easily scannable. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally into the description. Product features. List the product features in bullet points. Focus on the unique selling points and specific attributes that differentiate your product from competitors. Make the most important features prominent. Product variations. If your product has different variations, egg sizes, colors, clearly differentiate them in the listing. Specify the available options and provide separate images for each variation, if applicable. Sending inventory to Amazon. Once your products are listed, you prepare and ship your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon provides you with guidelines on packaging and shipping requirements to ensure the smooth handling of your products. Create a Seller Central account. Sign up for a seller account on Amazon Seller Central if you haven't already done so. This will provide you with access to the tools and resources needed to manage your inventory and shipments. Set up FBA. Enable FBA in your Seller Central account. This involves providing information about your business, agreeing to the FBA terms and conditions, and configuring your shipping settings. Prepare your inventory. Ensure that your products are properly prepared for shipment to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Inventory storage. Amazon receives and stores your products in their fulfillment centers. They handle inventory management, including storing, organizing, and tracking the products. Fulfillment centers. Amazon operates numerous fulfillment centers worldwide, strategically located to facilitate fast and efficient order fulfillment. Your inventory will be stored in one or more of these fulfillment centers based on Amazon's allocation and distribution. Inventory placement. Amazon determines the specific fulfillment centers where your inventory will be stored. They consider factors such as product category, demand, and warehouse capacity to optimize the storage and delivery process. Storage fees. Amazon charges storage fees for keeping your inventory in their fulfillment centers. These fees are typically based on the volume of space your products occupy and the time they are stored. Storage fees vary depending on the time of year, with peak holiday periods often incurring higher rates. Inventory management. Amazon's sophisticated inventory management system tracks and manages your inventory within their fulfillment centers. They handle receiving, organizing, and storing your products, ensuring they are readily available for order fulfillment. Order fulfillment. When a customer places an order for your product, Amazon takes care of the order fulfillment process. They pick, pack, and ship the product to the customer's address using their robust logistics infrastructure. Shipping and delivery. Amazon utilizes their extensive network of carriers to ensure prompt and reliable delivery of the products to customers. They handle shipping, tracking, and customer support related to shipping inquiries. Order placement. When a customer places an order for your product on Amazon, the order is processed through the Amazon platform. Customers can choose various shipping options, including standard shipping, expedited shipping, or Amazon Prime 2-day shipping. Order processing. Amazon's fulfillment system automatically processes the order. It verifies the availability of the product, confirms payment, and prepares the order for shipment. Picking. Amazon's warehouse staff locates the specific products within the fulfillment center based on the order details. They pick the items from the storage area. Packing. Once the product is picked, it is carefully packed according to Amazon's packaging standards. Amazon ensures that the packaging protects the product during transit and presents a professional image to the customer. Shipping carrier selection. Amazon uses its network of shipping carriers to deliver packages. The specific carrier chosen depends on factors such as the customer's location, package weight, and service level selected by the customer at checkout. Customer service. Amazon provides customer service for orders fulfilled through FBA. They handle customer inquiries, returns, and refunds on your behalf, relieving you of these responsibilities. Communication channels. Offer multiple channels for customers to reach out to you, such as email, phone, or live chat. Ensure that the contact information is easily accessible on your website or Amazon seller page. Prompt response. Aim to respond to customer inquiries and messages as quickly as possible. Ideally within 24 hours or less, depending on the urgency of the situation. Prompt responses show that you value your customers and their concerns. Polite and professional language. Use a polite and professional tone in all customer interactions. Remain calm and patient, even if the customer is frustrated or unhappy. Address their concerns respectfully and provide helpful solutions. Knowledge of products and policies. Have a thorough understanding of your products, their features, and any applicable policies. This knowledge will enable you to answer customer queries accurately and provide appropriate assistance. Problem resolution. Actively work towards resolving customer issues in a timely manner. If a customer reports a problem, the product or delivery, take ownership of the situation and work with them to find a satisfactory resolution. This may involve offering a replacement, refund, or other appropriate remedies. Proactive communication. Keep customers informed about the status of their orders, including tracking information and any delays. If there are any changes or issues with their order, notify them promptly and provide regular updates until the matter is resolved. Empathy and understanding. Show empathy towards customers' concerns and frustrations. Put yourself in their shoes and try to understand their perspective. This empathetic approach can go a long way in diffusing tense situations and building positive relationships with customers. Feedback and reviews. Encourage customers to provide feedback and reviews about their experience. Monitor and respond to reviews, both positive and negative, to demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Continuous improvement. Regularly evaluate your customer service processes and seek feedback from customers. Identify areas for improvement and implement changes accordingly. This iterative approach helps you enhance your customer service over time. Prime eligibility. Products fulfilled by Amazon through FBA are eligible for Amazon Prime, which offers fast and free shipping to Prime members. This can attract more customers and increase your product's visibility. Fees and costs. Amazon charges fees for the FBA service, which includes storage fees based on the space occupied by your inventory and fulfillment fees for picking, packing, and shipping. It's important to understand the fee structure and factor them into your pricing strategy. Monitoring and analytics. Amazon provides tools and reports to help you monitor the performance of your FBA inventory, track sales, and manage your business effectively. These insights can help you optimize your inventory and make data-driven decisions. Scaling and expansion. Amazon FBA allows you to scale your business and reach a wider customer base without worrying about fulfillment logistics. You can expand to new markets and focus on growing your product portfolio, while Amazon handles the operational aspects. Overall, Amazon FBA offers a convenient and efficient way for sellers to leverage Amazon's infrastructure for their e-commerce business. It simplifies order fulfillment, provides access to a vast customer base, and offers the benefits of Prime membership to eligible products. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.